guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. So this is my bathroom and it's pretty small. As you can see, there's so many brine and buildup and mildew all over. It's been weeks that I haven't cleaned the bathroom. So today it's another video of cleaning, and I'm actually gonna clean this little bathroom of mine. And if you guys are interested, just keep on watching and you guys will definitely see the before and after and how spotless it is. Was for me it is. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so what I'm doing here is usually I take out all the stuff out and then I reorganize it after. But then I'm just picking up all the stuff that's left in the bathroom and just taking them out. All I did was just put them in the hallway and then try to clean as much as possible out. I know there's some stuff that I actually miss, but sometimes I tend to just leave it there and then just do it later. But or sometimes I forget that they're there even though I've seen it. So I'm just shaking or trying to take out all the dust or the dirt in the on the carpets and taking everything out so I can mop and broom. And as you can see here, I'm just taking out more stuff out. Sometimes you don't know what's in your bathroom until you start cleaning, even though it's so small. That's when you start finding stuff that you're missing or stuff that's not supposed to be in the bathroom. Especially sometimes my son's toys, he likes to take a bath with them, and just picking up stuff here and there that's falling all over the floor or accumulated for the past week or so. And as you can see here, I'm just cleaning stuff here and there. And excuse the drawing on the cabinet. When my daughter was 8 years old, she told me that she started drawing on it, and now it's like that for years to come, and now she's 15. So finally she confessed that she drew on it. But anyways, I'm just picking up more stuff on the counter. I know you guys can't see it. I didn't have anything higher enough to actually see what's on my counter, but you guys will see in a bit. And then as you can see here, I left go collaborative. This video is not sponsored, or the fonts I'm using here is not sponsored. I just love go collaborative, especially in the spray bottle. What I'm using is lavender. If you guys are interested, I will definitely leave the link below. And then I ran out of my soap scum, so I'm just using water. And sometimes it's the best remedy there is. Sometimes I use soap, dishwashing soap, and water, just warm water, and sometimes it helps too as well. And if you have like some Lysol or antibacterial wipes, you can actually use those as well. I forgot I had them, but I just wanted to use a sponge, and after I'm done with the sponge, I'm just going to toss it away. So that's why I'm still using the sponge, but next time I'm using the antibacterial wipes for the counter. For anything for multi-purpose use, just washing away and put it all together, and then I got part of it, so I apologize, but cleaning the counter wasn't that bad since it's such a small bathroom. I'm not so worried about the bathroom, but except the fact that it has a lot of germs. But I just love to clean and have a spotless home, and there's so many cleaning to do. Once I'm done with the bathroom, it starts all over again with the living room and the This is so close. It's been like for 30 weeks. I've been meaning to clean it, and finally get a chance to clean it. And I didn't realize my 5 years where all that dirt is. I don't know if it but I don't know the gloves every time I try to make do this video, switch my bathroom. I have my gloves. And I do wash my hands, so I'm going to wash my hands several times a day before after everything. I'm not a germophobia, but I do wash my hair. And I'm so happy that all the dirt came off from that toilet. And what I'm doing here is just cleaning, wiping, and I shouldn't put my hair out. It's actually touching the toilet. So as you can see here, I'm spraying Eco Collaborative on it, and then I'm going to use the toilet cleaner to scrub it away. So I spray a lot of dirt and it was a total mess, especially when you have 5 boys, which 4 of them use the bathroom. One of them is a 5-month-old, and I'm using Basic for Works to actually scrub it. And again, as I was saying, the 5 boys, meaning the 5th one will probably use the bathroom like the 4 oldest boys. So it's pretty messy when you have a lot of boys. And I'm not saying that girls aren't messy, I'm saying that boys just pee all over, basically. But I mean, I love my boys, don't get me wrong, I love them. But yet, it's really messy when you have a bunch of boys. And I'm using the mop and blow. This is the first time I'm actually using this. All the products that I mentioned in this video is not sponsored. I just love using these products, but this is the only one that I haven't used. Since I always use like the one with the water, I wanted to try something different, so I didn't put this water in there. And as you can see, I was sweeping or mopping earlier. I forgot to sweep, so that's why it's like the mop first and then just sweep later. I forgot to sweep. I usually just sweep before I mop, so here I am sweeping after I mop. But I'm gonna go back again to mopping after I sweep. And then there it is. So now I'm mopping because that's when I realized that I forgot to mop. And then I do enjoy cleaning. It makes me forget about a lot of stuff. It's more like a meditation for me. So cleaning for me is super nice sometimes. When some days I do enjoy it and some days I don't, so it just depends on how I feel. And here I'm just picking up the last of the dirt that's on the floor, and here I'm just reorganizing. I'm just putting stuff back on the counter again, like they were before, especially before they actually got dirty too. So I'm just reorganizing. I'm just putting my washcloth on it, and here I know I just saw like a lot of dirt on it, so I just went forward with it and just start cleaning it. And then I'm just putting the carpet on, or the rugs on, and this is how it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope you guys give me a thumbs up if you guys like it and enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I hope to see you again